So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be getting ready with you guys, doing my makeup. This is the look that I did, just the black smoky eye, something that I've done before here on my channel. This video was mainly to distract you from what's going on and also distract myself, to be honest, because one, I haven't filmed a beauty video in a really long time. It's rare when I do my makeup now, so I really wanted to sit down and glam up with you guys. Like I said, I do have a black smoky eye on my channel already, more into detail if you guys want to check that out. I believe it's like a Valentine's Day tutorial. Anyways, guys, before we get started into today's video, if you're not yet a part of our T-Squad family, please subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so YouTube alerts you when I do upload a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. If you want to get a little bit more distracted, go follow me on Facebook. We do live cooking videos. I'm actually about to go live right now. I have like several recipes on there. I actually have a lot of recipes on there already. So go follow me there if you want to hang out with me. They are in Spanish though. That would be the only thing. Want to get glam together, then let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna get started. I have my cup of ice water because, you know, we gotta stay hydrated. Today I actually decided to bring my beauty room to my living room, meaning we are filming in my living room today, and I'm so excited because, you know, sometimes I feel like we need to get out of the routine, and I feel like I've been filming in my beauty room since forever, and I really just wanted a different space to get back to the beauty videos. Let me know if beauty videos is something that you really like here on my channel. I stopped doing them for a while and I was concentrating more on lifestyle content. You guys have seen a lot of vlogs from my part. I don't know how you guys like the vlogs, I'm not sure, but definitely let me know how you feel about vlogs or the beauty videos. Do you want more beauty videos? I also did like a clean with me video. Cleaning videos are just not my thing. But because we are in quarantine and we're like stuck at home, I'm like, you know what, let me do a cleaning video. Maybe I motivate you guys to clean your house. I've definitely been keeping busy with Facebook as well. If you guys didn't know, I do live cooking videos. Oh, I do live cooking videos on Facebook, so that's definitely kept me busy. Okay guys, also excuse me if the lighting gets a little bit funky or a little bit weird. Like I said, I am in my living room and I have natural light coming in, so I don't know if like we're good with the lighting or we need adjustments. I don't know yet until I edit the video. So by the way, guys, huge shout out to Sebas. He sent me, oh, you guys can't see it, he sent me a Saca la Botita crew neck, and I am living in it because y'all know I like sweaters. Okay, somebody recently made me a question on Instagram stories that who was my fashion idol, and to be honest, I don't really have a fashion idol. I was thinking about that and I was telling Jesus like, I don't like fashion. Fashion is just not my thing. I can live in leggings and long t-shirts like 24/7. Alright guys, so for primer, I'm going to be taking this one right here. This is the Banana Bright Face Primer by Ole Henriksen. I'm going to give this one a try because I don't remember how I feel about it. Ooh, my skin is like glowy, and I think it's because of my skincare routine. I've been doing a lot of skincare now that I'm home in quarantine. Let me know what you've been doing. But anyways, for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and mix these two. I'm going to mix the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Foundation in the shade Fair, and I'm going to mix it in with the Flawless Stay Foundation by Beauty Creations. I have this in the shade 4.0. The reason why I'm going to mix them is because Beauty Creations is really thick and it is a little bit orange on me, and LA Girl is a little bit more on the runnier side. It's definitely a bit more dewy, so I think today I want best of both worlds, you know? Let me know what you've been doing while in quarantine. Things are getting a little bit crazy here in Vegas. Now they've extended, or I feel like everywhere, right? Let me know what you've been doing in quarantine. Let me know. I've been really just cleaning the house, deep cleaning everything. I feel like we all have just that one place in our house, one room, just one little place that you always neglect. And for example, me, it's definitely the kitchen, no, not the kitchen, the kitchen cabinets, which I already cleaned, underneath the sink in my bathroom, definitely my closet. I hate cleaning those places around the house, and I feel like if I would have never gotten like quarantine, like, hey girl, you cannot go out of your house type of thing, I would have never cleaned those places in my house. So I also haven't really been buying makeup because one, Ulta is completely closed. Online, I haven't really seen anything new that has like caught my eye. You guys know that I'm known here for my reviews, but I haven't really found anything that I want to review, nothing that like sparks me. So if you have something that you want me to review, let me know. I'm gonna go into one of my favorite things right now as far as makeup, and it's this contour palette by What's actually not a contour palette. This is actually a foundation palette by NYX, but I've been loving it to contour with. So I'm gonna take this palette and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this shade here. I really alternate between these two. Just depends on the color of my foundation. Like if my foundation is too light, then I'm going with something darker. If my foundation is too dark, then I'm going with something lighter, you know. And I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face, give my face a little bit of warmth. I'm actually gonna go live on Facebook right now. I'm thinking of doing fried rice or orange chicken, or I don't know. I have a lot of like things I want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this contour out. Also guys, my merch is here. I'm pretty sure you guys saw the vlog where I share that with you guys, and it sucks that I can't really talk about it yet, or I can't really like film like the photos that I want. It feels so different to be filming in my living room, but to be honest, I am living for this headspace. For concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and take the e.l.f. concealer, and this is the hydrating satin finish one. I am in the shade Light Sand. I'm going to take a brush to kind of press it right here on my cheek area, and this is the Morphe M173. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it right here. I really like this concealer. I don't like the original one, like I've mentioned a million times. It's not the worst concealer I've tried. I've definitely learned how to work with it just because I have it, but this one here is my jam, you know. Just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my beauty blender and blend it out. So funny because I saw the Taylor's video where she talks about, you know, the virus and everything, and I got so much anxiety from that video. Missed you guys. How have you guys been? I feel like I haven't like been here in a minute, you know what I mean, like a minute. Now I'm actually gonna set my entire face with the Fenty Beauty powder. My eyes do get really watery with this powder, so I do try to be like very careful when applying it underneath of my eyes. To bronze my skin, I'm actually going to take this right here, and this is the Morphe bronzer in the shade Icon. And to give my skin a little bit more color, I'm gonna go into the NYC bronzer in the shade Sunny. This does have a red undertone. I love it. But for blush, I'm going to go ahead and take the Catrice blush box in the shade Golden Coral. Okay guys, so I know I'm like super up close and personal. I know that, but I am going to move on to my eye makeup, and I really want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to use the 35M palette by Morphe. I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe R37 brush, and to begin, I'm going to begin by taking this shade right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take that, and I'm going to begin to run it on my crease area. This is going to be my transition shade. Windshield wiper motions, back and forth. You guys know the drill. Now I'm going to move on to a different brush. This is the Makeup Shack T67 brush. I'm going to take the shade right below that one, which is just a little bit darker. And I'm going to begin by applying this all over my lid. Once I have it laid and packed, I'm going to begin by blending this. I'm also raising my eyebrow to kind of fit into my crease area. Now with the same exact brush, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is a much more darker brown, and I'm also going to pack that, and then I'm going to go in and blend it. Okay guys, so I'm actually not liking that, so I'm going to risk it, and I'm actually going to take the black shade and pack that on my lid. This could be a complete disaster. We will find out. I already have a black smoky eye tutorial in case you guys want to see like a much more in-depth one. Here I'm just, you know, making a comeback to the beauty videos, just getting ready with you guys for Facebook Live. Nothing too intense. I love when I do that. I love when I do that. I really do. Nothing too intense, and pulls out a black smoky eye. And I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to set my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel, which has become my favorite. I'm also going to set my entire skin with this new Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. I do have a video where I compared this one. Well, actually a review. It's not a comparison. But I reviewed this one and the new matte one, in case you guys are interested in that. I'm going to go ahead and take my highlighter, and this is Ofra in Rodeo Drive. This is blinding. This is no joke. Look at that. I told you guys, Ofra doesn't play. Now I'm just going to go ahead and press the highlight because I like it to be intense, but I also don't like it to be like too intense, you know what I mean? Alright guys, now I'm going to pop on a black liner, and I'm going to take this one right here. This is the Essence Extreme Waterproof Eye Pencil. A definer brush, and I'm going to pick up the dark brown shade, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp it. Now I'm going to pick up some of the black and also stamp it on my lower lash line, but only on the outer V, like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and set one more time, but now I'm going to take the original Morphe setting spray. And alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and align my lips with Morphe in Sweet Tea. Now I'm going to go ahead and take ColourPop and Eyelid Chatty in the shade Sueño de Coco. Alright guys, and we have come to the end of today's video. If you liked hanging out with me, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let me know in the comment section if you like the beauty videos. Do you want the beauty videos to make a comeback? Let me know. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me as well. And go follow me on social media if you haven't already. Go follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Right now that you're probably bored at home doing absolutely nothing and cooking a lot, I recommend that you go check out my Facebook page because we do a live cooking videos there ever so often. I do go live like 3 to 4 times a week. Anyways guys, I really hope this video distracted you because it definitely distracted me doing our makeup together. But yeah, I will catch you guys very soon in the next one. Bye guys.